Let's take a look at how markets ended the day here on this Thursday. Of course, coming off the Juneteenth holiday on Wednesday where markets were closed. We reopened today. It looked like we were going to get a little bit of pop in the shares, but nevertheless, a lot of folks had other intentions in mind. The S&P 500 down about 0.25%, but the biggest laggards today were in the tech space. You see that in the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, led by a big drop in NVIDIA, 3% lower for the index as a whole here. But interesting, Scarlett, you did see a pop in some other names, like in Dow Transports and in Dow Industrial. So I don't know, is this a rotation out of tech into something else, or I don't know, how should we read
that?
That
could very well be the case.
Yeah.
We know that chip makers have had quite a run. So if you look at some of the big decliners in the chip space, Qualcomm caught my attention off by 5%, at one point falling as much as 6.3%. Analysts note that a Wall Street Journal report on Samsung's new AI laptop glitches is a bad sign for Qualcomm because it does make some of the processors for those devices. Now, on the flip side, you have gains in MGM Resorts, up almost 3% on the day. That's a 3-week high. The company plans to offer online betting for games like roulette and baccarat with live dealers based at 2 of its Las Vegas casinos on the Strip. We're talking about the Bellagio and MGM Grand. These live dealers are apparently a big business for online betting companies, which host broadcasts from studios all over the world, and they'll basically mimic the experience of gambling at a casino for the users who are playing from home. Now, our top story this hour, it is summer solstice. The first day of summer brings us the longest day of the year. We know that. And in 2024, this year, the first heat wave of the season for a large swath of the U.S. Higher temperatures are set to boost natural gas consumption and stress the electrical grids. The nat gas inventory for now is plentiful after a warm winter, but that surplus will likely be drawn down quickly in the next few months. We'll examine the weather patterns' impact on global commodity prices, crop yields, and energy demand.